give it a quick little whole bath, okay? Well, hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Kie RaShon. Today's video is brought to you by OMGHERHair. They sent me another unit to review for you guys. It is also sipping slaying. Your girl got another can today. We got that Stella Rosa watermelon. Yeah. Let's see what she is tasting like. Okay, let's get a little sip. She also tastes better than the bottle. What's going on? Oh yeah. Yeah. But anyway, we got another one for Daddy Papa. Okay, add her to the list because listen, get the looks. Before we get into this glueless install, the specs, and what I think about this unit straight out the pack, make sure if you're new to the channel, you go ahead and subscribe and smash that notification bell so you don't miss anything else coming up. Also give this video a thumbs up if you want to see more videos like this in the future. Let's go. That tea, goodness gracious. Okay, so we got another day date coming on. Okay, yeah. But first, the hair. So like I said, this unit comes to us from OMGHERHair. All the specs of my unit are right here on the screen, so if you want to check it out, you can. This is a curly wig, but it also has curly edges. Can y'all see those? Y'all know the trend is the natural edges, okay? So they came with the curly edges, and we're gonna see how this looks on me. It's basically giving me what I've already been doing when it comes to, you know, my curly wigs, but, you know, we gonna see what they gave us, okay? The knots on this wig are already bleached. The hairline is pre-plucked. Let's go ahead and put this on. I don't have on a wig cap right now. I have on this little net joint. Sometimes if you wear caps too much, it'll, you know, put some stress and tension around your edges or wherever that cap is sitting. So I want to try to, you know, alleviate that for a little bit, but I need something to protect my hair in the meantime. So I'm gonna wear this little mesh joint right here. I left the straps on. Gotta be careful because I don't want to stick the comb in my hair. You can definitely see my my little line right there, but don't worry, we're gonna work it out, okay? Am I straight, y'all? I think so. All right, let's pin this up so we can cut this lace off. This should be fairly easy. I may want to do like a little up style. We'll see though. Now y'all see how the lace is fitting down around my hairline. It's fitting pretty much like perfect. So because I don't want to get rid of this, I'm gonna make sure I only cut the lace. So let me make sure I pin this up, okay? And I'm only gonna cut the lace, hopefully. Okay, let me get right in there like that. Let me feel. There we go. Okay, only got a little bit of hair, so that's good. Cut around the ear. Okay, very little hair on there, so that's good. Y'all know we doing glueless, so you know, don't even fake like you don't know. So I'm gonna cut this in 3. Okay, cut that off like that. Wait a minute, hold up, chill. Told you I don't want too much hair off. That was good. Ow. I will say it's fitting down how I have my hair right now under my cap. It's fitting down pretty comfortable. OMGHERHair never really comes down all the way on my side. So, you know, I normally gotta finagle that for me. Because I'm wearing this unit glueless and it is a curly joint, I can definitely do that. The hairline, now that the lace is off, the hairs right here are looking a little bit thicker than I want. So I'm just gonna take and pull some out so I can make sure I can see my hairline, you know what I'm saying? I don't know if I'm gonna leave them this long. I may cut them a little bit shorter. Make sure nothing's on my face. So now it's time to do my edges. Okay, got my new bottle here. Time to party. Open it. Gonna put 2 oh, wait a minute. Oh, it's a new bottle. Hold on. I say, why it's not working? 2 pumps. 2 big old pumps. Pumps in a pump. Pumps in a pump. We like the girls with the pumps in a pump. Yeah. Push it around. Oh, put my glasses off. Bring this down a little bit. Pin it right here. Okay, then we're gonna tie this down like this. And like that, y'all. So now, let's get this hair together. Hold on, let me get a little sippy sip. You already saw that I sprayed the hair down with some dry shampoo and then some water. Give it a quick little whole bath, okay? To get the smell out. So now we're just gonna put the Nairobi. Y'all know the drill. Okay, the Nairobi goes all over the hair. Oh, wait a minute, I got something in my mouth. I got hair in my mouth. Okay, I ain't washed it that good, so I don't want it in my mouth. Goodness. Okay, get all up in there. Dang, I always get it on my daggone robe. Every time. Work it in, work it in. Like I told y'all, it's a messy job, but somebody's gotta do it. Y'all, I ain't got no sense. I have really had a great week, y'all. I don't know what's going on, but maybe because I'm back on my meds. Oh, iron meds. Okay, don't try me. Like I knew she was on something. Ooh, the hair is really soft. Even out the pack, with me brushing it after I sprayed some water on it, it was easy to brush. So, you know, that's always a plus. I don't think there are no heavy layers in this unit. So we're gonna try to create some volume and lift around my face. The ends are pretty much defined without me even having to do this, so. Okay, OMG. This is gonna be a very quick install. Y'all see how fast I'm doing this? Now that I got my handy dandy products, oh yeah, oh yeah. Now the roots on this are a little straight. They're giving off more straight to wavy, not really straight to curly, so you know, be mindful of that. I am getting some shedding with this wig, but you know, not too much, so that's good. So this is how we're looking. Looking good, yes. So I'm gonna go ahead and do the other side and diffuse the hair, and then we'll come back and see how this is looking, okay? Be right back. Okay, so let's get this band off and see what we're working with. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Obviously, my little curly cues are not, they're not curling, so let me fix that. They were stuck under the band, so I gotta put them back where they need to be. I need you to curl. There we go, come on, come on. Okay, I don't have on a wig grip. I may wanna put one on. Fluff, fluff, fluff it up, fluff, fluff, fluff it up. Are we using the combs today? Let me see, let me see. Nope, they're too far back. So I need to use bobby pins. Pull this down right here. I'll pin it right up behind the ear. Let me do a little bit of my foundation on top of here. Like this. With the roots being straight like they are, you're gonna definitely have to get your lift out here. So if you wanna cut some layers in this unit, I would definitely suggest to do that if you want more of like a rounded look. I'm gonna make do with what I have. I'll fluff it up a bit more. It's looking like I got bangs. I need to fix that. It's not baby hairs, it's just curly edges, okay? There's a difference, okay, trust me. Okay, what we thinking? I think the curly little hairline, it can be cute, okay? It can definitely be cute, especially if you're going for that very natural curly hairline. This one's gonna be for you, okay? I'm not mad at how it was looking on me. Initially, I was kind of like, you know, I don't know, but how it's looking on me now that I styled her, I think it looks very like, it looks really natural. For me personally, I would like them to be a little bit more thinned out, not by much, okay? Just a little smidge, okay? A little bit thinner, and I think we in business. But all in all, how I'm looking, how I'm feeling, how I think I styled it on me, I think it's a cute look. I think it's a cute look. I wonder how this is gonna look pinned up. Let's find out. Okay, so I just pulled it up into a ponytail. You see right there, just a ponytail, and then I kind of played with the hair around the hairline. Okay, so this is my part in the middle. I just moved everything over this way, like that. Keep playing with it. But you see what I'm talking about with the edges? Like they're a little long, and they're not as curly as the actual hair. They're more wavy than anything. Obviously you gotta mess with your back a little bit. Let me turn around so you guys can see mine. You can bobby pin that into place if you need to. I kind of like it up more than I like it down. Who am I? I like it. To make this hair a lot bushier too. Y'all see the vibe? Hold on, let me put my shoulder back out, cause feeling a little feisty, okay? Yeah, okay. Yeah, do the full up style if you want to. I may do that when I go outside. If I want to tuck the little hairs on the side right here and kind of do it like that, Still looks natural. It's a cute wig, y'all. I can't complain about it. Now, if you want to go ahead and add this to the list for Daddy Pawpaw, go ahead and do that, because I think he may like this. And don't worry, you can get another one. Okay, he can't see anyway. Okay, you know he got them bifocals on. He don't know which one you are. You know he got a few. He got different flavors of the week. Okay, so double back. Double back. But that's all I got for you guys today. Shout out one more time to OMGHERHair for sending me this unit. I really appreciate it. I will put the direct link, my specs, and any coupon codes I have for this unit down below. So if you guys want to check it out, you can. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share this video. Also smash that notification bell so you don't miss anything else coming up. I love you guys so much, and I will see you next time. Bye.